Hi, I'm Yuri Suarez, and welcome to Smart Finance for Everyone, completely free. Today, I'm going to explain what you must know before you start investing. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal what I would invest in if I knew nothing about finance. So stay until the end because this can save you years of mistakes. Before you invest, you need an emergency fund. Before you put a single dollar into investments, you need financial protection. This is called an emergency fund. If you're single, 3 to 6 months of expenses. If you have a family, 6 months to 1 year of expenses. Why? Because investments go up and down. And if you don't have savings, any emergency forces you into debt or makes you sell your investments at the worst possible moments. Explanation of emergency fund. How to calculate your emergency fund. Make a list of rent or mortgage, food, car insurance, health insurance, utilities, gas, essential expenses. Add everything up. That number is your real monthly spending. Multiply it by 3, 6, or 12, depending on your situation. Practical ways to save faster. Here are real and simple ways to save for your emergency fund. Review your insurance, car insurance, home insurance. You can often save money by switching companies or adjusting coverage. Cut unnecessary purchases. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I need it or do I just want it? Make a list of income and expenses. This opens your eyes. Most people don't know where their money goes. Do extra work. Help family or friends with gardening, cleaning, repairs, any skill you have. That money goes straight to your emergency fund. Reduce small but constant expenses. Daily coffee, apps, subscriptions, eating out. It all adds up. Ideas to save money. Why this matters before investing. Investing without an emergency fund is like building a house without a foundation. Sooner or later, it collapses. When you have savings, you invest calmly. You don't panic. You don't sell when the market drops. You don't go into debt because of emergencies. Stability is the foundation of wealth. What would I invest in if I knew nothing about finance? Here's what I promised. If I were starting from zero, knowing nothing about finance, I would focus on 3 simple and safe categories for beginners. 1. Basic financial education. Before investing money, I'd invest in learning. Knowledge equals protection. 2. Diversified investments. Not a single asset, but something that mixes many companies or sectors. It's just a general category, not a specific product. 3. Long-term investing, because time is the best ally of financial growth. 4. Starting with ETFs. I would start by buying ETFs, funds that contain many companies and help reduce the risk of any single investment. The people who manage these funds remove companies that aren't performing well and replace them with stronger ones. However, I wouldn't invest right now because the market is at all-time highs. Instead, I would create a plan to buy little by little when stock prices become cheaper. Note, this is not financial advice. Always consult a professional if you need personalized recommendations. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more short, completely free financial education lessons. Remember, financial education is a right, not a luxury. See you in the next video.